Still knee first, starts the motion, come forward, and then you let this hip drop lower to open up that hip flexor in a different angle. You feel that? Perfect. Good. Now on the next one, I'm gonna try this. As you come forward, let that drop, raise the right arm up in the air. Same thing, just adding that right arm. Let that hip drop. You feel it even more now? Perfect. Good. Now we're opening up the hip flexors going front to back, but also up and down. You do that again. And this time, as you get all the way up there, sternum up, let the hip drop. Now, I want you to take your left arm and rotate behind you. Just open it up like that. And now you feel even a bigger stretch in the hip flexor. Now we're getting a forward back, a drop, and a rotation. But look at me though. There we go. Good, and come back. And do one more time like that. Knee, start the motion first. Knee, start the motion first. Yep, sternum. And then you can let that hip drop. There you go, look straight ahead. And then you can go ahead and rotate that arm out to get that last.
But I keep looking straight.
Keep looking straight. Keep going. Keep rotating. You feel that big hip flexor stretch here. It's probably the biggest one you should be able to get. It's all three directions, all three angles. Good, and come out.